and after a mixed bag of weather this week, we are happy to report it is set to warm up right across the country, thank goodness, as we head into the new year. And that means Aussies will be spending more time together, enjoying the sun, the pool and the outdoors.
So to ensure you have the optimal holiday break, today tech expert Trevor Long joins us live from Wahroonga with the ultimate poolside gadgets and one of the greatest shirts you will ever see. Trev, having a pool, it's such a summer asset, isn't it? But having one is one thing, keeping one clean, well, that's another thing altogether. How can you make it easier?
Yeah, why would you want the burden of that, Michael? But you've got robots these days, and there are plenty to choose from. A couple that I've got here, this is the APA brand. This one here will clean the floor, the walls, the water edge, and skim the top of your pool. And the one in the pool there is called the Surfer from APA. That is just skimming the top of the pool for all those leaves. So there's a couple of big brands out there. Beatbot and APA are the main ones. And basically, if you're spending more than $2,000, you're probably getting one that does everything. But you can definitely, for just under $1,000, get a pool cleaner that is going to do an unbelievable job to make it swim ready every single day.
Wow. Now, Trev, you can tell a lot about a man by the type of barbecue he's got.
Yes, I reckon. You absolutely can.
I reckon you've got a fancy one.
Oh, look at that.
Lizzie, you're right. This is a 6-burner with a side burner as well. Don't you worry about that. But this one's smart. So Wi-Fi connected. There's an app to control it. So what you can do is you can set something in here to slow cook, and you can control the temperature from your phone. So it will constantly adjust the temperature so that you can have a brisket running on there. It's also got scales for the gas bottle so that you get a notification on the screen and in your app when the gas bottle's running low to empty. So this is the Broil King Regal. You look for the IQ range, and that's got all those smarts built in. Not cheap, 5,000 plus, depending on which model you get, but absolute top of the pops when it comes to poolside barbecues.
Worth every cent when you throw those snags on the barbie and they come out just perfect. Now, Trev, everyone wants to stay entertained on summer nights, and you've got an affordable outdoor cinema option.
This may be, I reckon, the best deal this Boxing Day sales. And it's not even a sale. This is their normal price. That 144-inch inflatable screen, okay, that screen comes in this bundle here with a projector, with a soundbar. So maybe 8 o'clock at night, 9 o'clock at night, you want the family to just enjoy a movie. $300, $297 at Big W, this laser outdoor cinema bundle. So that is the screen, the inflatable screen, which has a pump in it, the projector and a soundbar, all in one bundle, under $300. What a cracking deal for summer movies or entertainment in the backyard or poolside, wherever you are.
That is a dead set bargain.
You
Santa has missed a trick this year. Absolutely.
Put it on the list for next year. Now, Trev, we need a soundtrack this summer.
We do.
How do we keep the poolside bangers pumping?
There are speakers at every price point. Big brands like Ultimate Ears or JBL, they have speakers from under $50 to $200 odd. Basically, the bigger the speaker, the more it's going to cost. But the sound is impressive. They're also super waterproof, dustproof, taken to the beach and everything like that. And you'll find most of them, we found, they also float. So, good news is, if you happen to drop it in the pool, no dramas at all. That one's not floating. It's sunk to the bottom. Don't you mind. It's all good. We tested it earlier. But it's waterproof, so it'll be fine. Just got to take it out to be able to listen to the music. But great sound poolside this summer with JBL or Ultimate Ears. Plenty of different brands. Basically, bang for your buck, you get what you pay for. So the more you spend, the better the sound, the better the bass.
Trev, your backyard looks amazing. What time do you want Lizzie and I over there for the barbecue and the beats and the movie?
Well, full credit to my father-in-law, whose pool this is, for keeping it clean with these robots. I don't have a pool at home, that's why I'm here. But I'll be here this afternoon with the cricket on.
Oh yes, cricket in the pool.
Imagine the cricket on that screen while you're floating in the pool.
Yeah.
Oh my Lord.
We love it, Trev.
Yeah, thank you, Trev.
We love it. Thank you.